In today's era, the businesses and organizations are using AI to complete most of their tasks. So, in today's video, we will see what is AI and how AI works. So, let us see. AI has already started playing major roles in our lives in many fields. So, let us understand what is AI. So, when machines can copy the human intelligence and they can make their own decisions and think and learn, then a machine is said to be artificially intelligent. Artificial intelligence is probably the most complex creativity of humanity. Now, let us understand the types of AI. So, AI is broadly divided into two categories: AI types based on capabilities, AI types based on functionalities. So, we will understand shortly one by one. So, starting with narrow AI is a goal oriented AI trained to perform specific task. Gen AI is a AI version that performs any intellectual task with human like efficiency. Super AI is the AI version that surpasses the human intelligence and can perform any task better than human. Then in the second category, reactive machines are there, which are basic AI types that do not store any past experience or memories for future actions. Then limited memory machines can store data for a short period of time. Theory of mind type AI can understand the human emotions and beliefs and can interact socially like human. Self-aware AI can deal with super intelligent machines with their sentiments, emotions and beliefs. Now let us understand how AI works. So, starting with AI system accepts data in the form of speech, text, image, context. The system then processes the data by applying various algorithms and rules and interpreting the data and predicting it. After processing, the outcome comes as success or failure. The result is then accessed through analysis, discovery, and feedback. Lastly, the system uses its assessments to adjust the input data, algorithms, and rules. This loop continues until the desired result is achieved. Now let us see the key components of AI. We will talk about each component one by one. So starting with machine learning. So machine learning is the AI application that automatically learns from the past experiences and no explicit programming is required for it. Deep learning is the subset of machine learning that learns by processing data with the help of artificial neural networks. Neural networks are the computer system that are modeled on the neural connections in the human brain. The natural language processing (NLP) is a tool that allows computer systems to recognize, interpret, and produce human language and speech. Then computer vision is used to interpret graphs, PDFs, tables, images, and videos. That uses deep learning concept. Cognitive computing just aims to recreate the human thought process in a computer model. Now let's talk about what are the goals of AI. So we have developed problem solving ability, then it allows continuous learning, also it encourages the social intelligence, then it promotes the creativity, and also it enables the human AI synergy. Next is the key challenges of AI. So we have the AI algorithm bias. So AI systems should be trained in such a way that they should make decisions irrespective of the gender, communal, racial, or ethnic. Then next comes black box problem. So AI systems are generally like black box. We have a very rare understanding of how the inner algorithm is working and how it comes to a decision. Then the next challenge is the requirement of high computational power for training the AI models. Integrating AI with the current corporate environment is a challenging task. Understanding and implementing the AI model in every industry is also a challenging task. Then there are legal concerns also whether AI models are performing according to the law or beyond that. So, in your day to day life, you are using AI among these categories only. You can see like chatbots, smart personal assistants, whenever you are opening any app like Make My Trip or any railway app, then chatbots are there. So I'm just giving an example. Also, you are using text recognition like you are using OK Google, so that is speech to text conversion. Like that, you are using AI in your day to day work efficiently. Thank you for learning. For more such technical videos and information, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe it. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can post your comments and I would definitely respond to that. If you want to reach me out for any help, just use my contact details in the card shown here and I would be happy to help you. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.